Hey everybody, JD here once again. Another exciting episode of What Did John Get in the Mail this week? First of all, a new shop card from our buddy Paul over at Left Coast Model Car Builds. Got his second gen shop card in the mail yesterday. Very cool. I'm very happy that Paul's having a great deal of luck with his channel. It's awesome. If anybody, I think was it Tom said, if you haven't subscribed to his channel, what's wrong with you? Got a great channel, a lot of beautiful builds. He's got some very talented family. Very awesome. Some of his cars on him, on his card. I also picked up some tools over the last week. Mark Batson was talking about a spot sanding pen, and I looked at a couple of places around me. I couldn't find one, so I ended up getting one off of Amazon. He said these are great for like doing ejector pin marks when you can't get in with a regular piece of sandpaper or something. So I ordered one of those. Haven't had a chance to use it yet, but I got one of those. I also got a set of silicone brushes off of Amazon. As BJ says, that river has everything. I buy a lot of stuff off of Amazon. It's interesting, in my line of work, I actually go to a lot of Amazons because some of the stuff I bought, that I got from Amazon, actually came from an Amazon in Tracy that I delivered to. Like this little guy. Barbados Starks is talking about this nail file. It has different size, different grits, I guess, for polishing fingernails. He said this was a pretty good thing to use, so I got one. Haven't used it yet. We'll see how it works when I get a chance. As far as progress on models, I just got done wet sanding and primering my Porsche, my 911 Turbo for the Porsche group build. Did the Jason over at Blue Ox Model Shop. I followed his tutorial he did about how to polish his primer, and it came out really nice. Letting it dry right now so I can throw some paint on it eventually. Got the also got the chassis primered. I'm also working on my Bandai XWing for the Mars Garage's Rust Bucket group build. I decided to use, I'm a big fan of these Hillshire Farms containers that their lunch meat comes in. They're great because they're resealable. They're great for holding small parts. I've been cleaning the parts to the X-Wing. Almost lost a part. It fell on the floor. It bounced once, and it took me an hour to find where it went. I thought maybe it disappeared into another dimension because I saw it for a flash, and then it disappeared. Then I actually found it by crawling around on the floor. As far as model kits, I don't know if you want to consider this a kit. This is a show that I used to watch, an anime called Strike Witches, and I guess Little Armory is starting to do the guns from the different characters. This is Charlotte Yeager. She's supposed to be, I guess, Chuck Yeager's niece or something like that. Because it's like an alternative universe. She goes by Shirley for some odd reason. She has like a BAR that she uses when very cool show. It's cute. I like collecting all kinds of different weapons for my schoolgirl army, and I got this recently. Oops. It's a Bandai Gundam kit because my club is having a fall group build, and we're all going to build this same kit. And I haven't built a Gundam for a while, and I was watching a video on YouTube where a guy weathered and painted and weathered this kit, and it came out really sweet. I'm really looking forward to trying that out. Usually I just put Gundams together and I don't actually like paint them or anything. I'm looking forward to doing that because there's two brothers that I've seen at two different IPMS shows, the one in Sacramento and the one in Fremont, that they do these Gundam builds that are absolutely beautiful. The last kit I got, I remember a couple of weeks ago I went to the show in Fremont and I got an old AMT 62 Nova kit, and I mentioned that my ex-wife was trying to win the raffle prize to get me a Tamiya Nissan Fairlady 240ZG kit. Well, Sean over the Scale Model Car Guy channel reached out to me and asked me if I'd be interested in a trade for the Nova for the Tamiya kit. So I said sure. So I sent the Nova to its new home, and Sean sent me the Z here. It was appreciated, brother. It was good doing a little bit of trading with you. And I hope you enjoy the Nova kit. I know I'm going to enjoy this because I'm a big fan of Z cars. And that should do it for right now. I'm going to try and get some stuff done. It's been like way hot here. A little cooler today, been real hot, and I'm looking forward to when the temperature goes back down to normal. So I hope everybody had a great weekend. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.